Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. And today I will be preparing Ambdya thiksani humman or hog plum spicy dish. This dish can be had with idli, dosha, rava dosha, sandan, urda appe, rava idli, etc. And this dish replaces the sambar and chutney which we usually have. This is slightly watery dish and no onion and garlic have been used in it. Coming to the ingredients, you need 6 to 7 numbers raw but mature hog plums. 1½ teaspoon red chili powder, water, asafoetida, fresh coconut oil and salt to taste. For seasoning, you need coconut oil for seasoning, mustard, urad dal, jeera or cumin seeds, a small spoon of methi seeds and 1 sprig curry leaves. So these are the ingredients that you require for the preparation of this thiksani humman. First, what you have to do is wash and cut the hog plums into half. Cook them adding salt and sufficient water till cooked. Once they have cooked, add red chili powder. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes till the raw smell of the red chili powder goes off. Then switch off the flame. Add asafoetida and fresh coconut. For seasoning, you have to heat oil in a kadai or a pan. Add mustard seeds. When they splutter, add urad dal, followed by jeera and methi seeds. Then immediately add the curry leaves and pour the seasoning over the thiksani humman. Mix well. Your Ambdya thiksani humman or hog plum spicy dish is ready to be served. Serve it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. In this channel, I will be discussing most of the recipes that are prepared by Kerala GSBs mostly in South Kerala. Thank you for watching my channel.